What's up, everybody? So it's Thursday and we're leaving tomorrow for Wilkesboro Dragway. So today what we are trying to accomplish is we've got to take the parachute mount down. We want to shorten the parachute mount a little bit to get the parachute down lower away from the wing. And Billy's back there right now pulling the parachute off, and we're going to see if we can't do a little fabricating today.
So we bought this Motion Raceworks parachute. This is for an S10 and it's supposed to bolt in. Everything worked great as far as bolting the mount up, but with our wing that we used and with a lot of the wings that I see guys using, the parachute is a little bit too high and it ends up hitting the bottom of the wing or the wicker bill. So what we had to do was we cut this off on the vertical bar and we shortened it about 2.5 inches and then just butt welded it back together. The only time that there's any weight on this bar is when it's just sitting here. When the parachute's deployed, obviously it pulls on this. So structurally, I'm not worried about butt welding this. It's fine. All it has to do is hold the weight of this parachute, when it's just sitting there. So, once that parachute deploys, it's gonna pull on this. And you want to make sure, when it deploys, it's got a good angle to come up and catch wind coming off the wing. So this should come up at an angle, come out, catch wind, and then deploy the rest of the parachute. Before it would have hit this wicker bill and probably just bounced on the ground, and then the parachute would have never deployed.
So we're going to go ahead and move that wicker bill up anyway, right?
Yeah, we're going to go ahead and move the wicker bill up another notch. We can go about another 1/4 inch, maybe a little more up. So that'll give us more clearance for the parachute and it'll give us a little bit more downforce.
Ready to go eat lunch?
Yep. So this will be the first test to see if this parachute is going to deploy properly.
We got the cable on, got the new bracket installed. We went to Jegs after lunch. You got this little cable bracket. Billy mounted that. And we've tested it with the safety pin, but we have not yet tested it. Actually letting it fly.
Can I just say something funny real quick?
Do you have something funny to say?
I always think something's funny and it's not, but when I was a kid, like really little at trails, like at bracket races, I'd always be so scared like to get near a parachute because I thought if I touch it, they would explode. If I was walking around the back of the car, I'd be like, I was scared.
Well, let's end your fear, Tommy. Stand right there to front. We're ready. There it is, Tommy. All your fears have now been realized for nothing.
How far did I go out?
Right there.
Right there. You think it'll catch air?
I hope. You want to watch it on the video?
Yeah.
So Billy went ahead and drug the parachute out. He decided he wanted to make sure he could repack the chute before we go down there and actually have to use it and stand around in front of a bunch of people like we have no idea what we're doing. This actually led to a near meltdown, and Billy almost lost his marbles. I didn't record any of it. It wasn't pretty. It was challenging. Let's just say he did not enjoy it. And after dinner, Tommy and Allison were out in the shop editing their videos, and Vicky was about to spring her next big project on us. She had Billy order this humongous tent, and we needed to put it together to take it with us this weekend.
The poles are on the back porch, like the framework, and it's very heavy, and I can't carry it.
What we have?
It's just a little scrap.
She helped.
Well, of course she helped.
She
She's
was
always a
moral
big
support.
helper. She's scrapper. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, it's the Frisbee, isn't it? Do you need Papa's help? Here. There you go. What? Here we go. Straight to the door. It's dark out there, honey. We can't even see. Oh, now there's a ball. What do you want me to throw, the ball or the Frisbee? Drop it. Which one you want? Frisbee? You ready? Get it. It's cold out here. Come on, babies. Come on, girls.
Be gone.